Good morning, everybody. Okay, last day I have taught you my silly sister. You know that silly sister, page number 81. Okay, beta, everybody open your book, page number 81 and also copy. So that is my silly sister. What is this for the story? I think you have read. Oh, I am fine, beta. Okay. So I think you have read the story. Besides that, again, I am telling that brother is telling to his mother. It is a Rabindranath Tagore's writing. So he is telling that, mother, your daughter is very silly. So she is very silly. She could not understand anything. She cannot differentiate between big stars and the street light. Sometimes she eats pebbles, small stones. She is thinking that it is a eatable. Okay. Sometimes when her brother wants to teach, what she is telling? Brother wants to teach that. So that time she is telling that she is tearing the pages of book. And she is shouting with joy. And after that, when her brother is angry, very angry, that time what she is doing? She could not understand that her brother is angry, her brother is scolding her, she is laughing at her. And after that, what she is telling that? What she is telling? When sometime her brother is telling that her father is coming, she could not understand that her brother is joking with making fun with her. And after that, I hold a class with the donkeys that a washerman brings to carry with dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster. She better not make any noise. That time her brother is telling that he is the schoolmaster. And he insists that she should call me Dada. But after that, baby wants to catch the moon because she is very childish. So her brother is telling that, my silly sister. So I told that please read all this, and also please not only the read, I will tell next the meaning. If you want, you can write the meaning, but question answer also I will just read. What happened? Oh, what are you telling that now you are not having? Why you are sending the routine, Anushka? Why, Anushka? Why are you sending the routine? I could not understand. You are not having English now? Anushka? So, I know that. So, why, Anushka? Why are you sending the routine? So please write the meaning if you know. If you know, you need not to write, but please write the question answer also. Okay. So here, pebble, P-E-B-B-L-E. Pebble means stone. Please, beta, unmute those who are Anushka. What happened? What happened? Please tell me. Okay. Silly and childish. I am just telling that. Okay. Silly means foolish. Oh, Oishi, please don't speak Bengali in the class. Silly means foolish. And childish means like child. Behavior of child. Like or behavior. Who is talking and not muting? Again, I have to do that so many times. Oishi. Ayush, please don't do like this. You should not do. Childish behavior. behavior, behavior like child. বাচ্চার মতো স্বভাব. Now, behavior means that স্বভাব. behavior. behavior. Next, dirty. dirty. Not clean. Next, anger. Anger, another word that is also unknown to you, but please read. Rage. R-A-G-E. Why, beta? Any problem? Right side. Okay, okay, let me see. Okay. This side I am writing childish behavior. Like child. Dirty means not cleaned. Anger, rage, then we can write excitement. Excitement. Energetic feeling. Energetic feeling. Next, playful. Just you can see that E-N-E-R-G-E-T-I-C. Just a minute, I am writing again. Energetic feeling. E-N-E-R-G-E-T-I-C. Energetic feeling. Next, playful. Playing mood. Playing mood. M-O-O-D. Then another things I am not writing that. Naughty and washerman. Washerman, you know, those people who washes our dirty clothes. And naughty means also is not quiet and calm. So, question number 1. What does the baby do with the pebbles? What does the baby do with the pebbles? Number 1. What does the baby do? All the sentence in the present tense. So, we should write in the present tense. Do with the pebbles. Answer is there. The baby tries to put the pebbles Again, I am telling that the baby tries to put the pebbles. I am writing here. Baby tries to put the pebbles. Here I am writing, tries to put the pebbles. Oh, please don't talk. Please, Oishi. How many times I am telling that? Please don't, whenever you are just talking, you will unmute, then after you will mute that. Tries to put the pebbles in her mouth, comma, thinking as real food. Thinking as real food. What does the baby do with the book? Number 2. Question number 2. What does the baby do with the book? Baby do with the book. So answer is there. The baby tears the pages of book and roars with joy. Roars means shouts. Roars with joy. Then question number 3. When does the baby laugh? Question number 3 I am writing here because question is in your book. When does the baby laugh? Answer number 1 I am just rubbing that. Answer is there. Answer number 3. When her brother is angry and scolds her. SCOLDS, scolds her. She laughs. She, comma, LAUGHS. She laughs with fun. Only she laughs. Bas. So only these 3 questions I have written today. Next question I will write on the next day. Again that day also I will finish the chapter. So please read this chapter. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay. Okay, I know that present. I have already called your name, no? Abhimanyu Garai, Oishi Ghosh, Anushree Das, Anushka Goswami, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Daksha H, Dhriti Mondal, Diksha Singh, Dibyanka Mukherjee. Ayush Mondal? What is Ayush Mondal? Ayush Mondal is there. Okay. Okay, only P you should write. No need to write that, all these things. I think you are, okay, Anushka is writing, no problem. Okay, beta, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, beta.